Welcome students in a series of Let's Magnify Mathematics. Today's topic is subtraction. Here is a question: 9 minus 2 equals to 7. Here this sign is sign of subtraction, or we can say sign of minus. And here is a sign of equal. When we subtract 2 from 9, we get 7. Here 9 is called minuend and 2 is called subtrahend, and the result of subtraction is called difference. Minuend is the first number in subtraction from which we subtract. Subtrahend is the number to be subtracted from another number, and difference is the result of subtraction problem.
Let us perform subtraction on large numbers. These are your numbers: 2 crore 43 lakh 15,902, 2 crore 5 lakh 12,973. We have to subtract these numbers, and you know the first number is called minuend and the second number which is subtracted is called subtrahend, and the answer of this subtraction is called difference. Always remember these terms. Now how we will subtract? Just see here. 2 minus 3, we know that 2 is less than 3, that's why we will borrow from here, but it is 0, so we will borrow from this number. It will be 8 and this will be 10. Now we can borrow from this 10, it will be 9, and here it will be 12. So 12 minus 3 equals to 9. 9 minus 7 equals to 2. Now 8 minus 9. Again 8 is smaller than 9. So we will borrow from here. This will be 4 and it will be 18. 18 minus 9, 9. 4 minus 2, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. Now again 3 minus 5. 3 is less than 5. So what we will do? Yes, we will borrow. Here it will be 3 and it will be 13. 13 minus 5, 8. 3 minus 0, 3. And 2 minus 2, yes, it is 0. So we can say the difference will be 38 lakh 2,929.
Let us understand properties of subtraction. First is order property. Just like addition, there is not order property. Actually, numbers can be subtracted in a specific order only. For example, 15 minus 8 is equals to 7, but 8 minus 15 is not equal to 7. Same applies for large numbers too. Properties of 0. When 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference is the number itself. For example, if there is a number 1 crore 11 lakh 23,456 and we subtract 0 from that number, we get that number itself, 1 crore 11 lakh 23,456. Subtracting the number from itself, then the difference is 0. For example, if we subtract 25 lakh 34,110 from 25 lakh 34,110, we get 0. Subtracting 1. When 1 is subtracting from any number, the difference is predecessor of the number. For example, 34 lakh 17,205 minus 1. We get the predecessor of that number. It means 34 lakh 17,204.
The next topic is word problem of subtraction. Again, here are some keywords to identify the subtraction operation in word problems, like take away, decrease, minus, less, left, fewer, subtract, how many more, difference. So these are the keywords. Let us solve one question. How much is 6 crore more than 5,78,000? See, here are two numbers, 6 crore and 5,78,000. And you know that 6 crore means this. In a form of numeration, we write like this. And 5,78,000. 5,78,000. And we know that 6 crore is more than 5,78,000. But how much? That we have to find out. How much means we have to find the difference. We have to subtract both the numbers. So at first, it is a question of subtraction. Now, we will write both the numbers in place value chart, and always remember, while writing in place value chart, start from ones place. And these are your numbers I have already written in the place value chart. Now we will do subtraction. See here, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Now here is 0 minus 8. 0 is less than 8. So what we will do, we will borrow from here. This 6 will be 5 and this will be 10. Now we can borrow from here. It will be 9 and it will be 10. Now we will borrow from here. Again it will be 9 and it will be 10. Now we will borrow from this 10. It will be 9 and here it is 10. Now we can easily subtract. How? 10 minus 8 equals to 2. 9 minus 7 equals to 2. 9 minus 5 equals to 4. Here is 9 and here is 5. So your difference will be this. Yes, 5 crore 94 lakh 22,000. So we can say that 6 crore is more than 5,78,000, but how much? Yes, 5 crore 94 lakh 22,000. Another question is 7,000 less than 25 lakh 8,913. Now here is a keyword less than. So we have to find out a number which is less than this number. But how much? 7,000 less than. It means it is a question of subtraction. We can easily identify. It is our minuend and it is our subtrend. At first we will write these numbers in this place value chart and now we will do subtraction. 3 minus 0, 3, 1 minus 0, 1, 9 minus 0, 9, 8 minus 7, 1, 0, here is 0, then 5, 5 and here is 2. So your difference will be this. Your difference will be 25 lakh 1,913.
The income of a family in 2019 was rupees 56 lakh 25,156 and in 2020 it was reduced by rupees 8 lakh 34,187. Find the income of the family in 2020. So here in this word problem, what is given to you? Income in 2019, that is equals to rupees 56 lakh 25,156 and income was reduced by rupees 8 lakh 34,187. So what is the income in 2020? Actually there is a subtraction. 56 lakh 25,156 minus 8 lakh 34,187, that is equals to rupees 47 lakh 90,969. So the income of the family in 2020 is 47 lakh 90,969.
So in mathematics, what you need to do? Yes, practice, because practice makes perfect. So do practice.